Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, let's do the unboxing and review of this NoiseFit Evolve smartwatch. And this smartwatch is the AMOLED display smartwatch. So that is one of the highlight of thing. So firstly, let's start this video from this smartwatch unboxing. Well guys, now this is a NoiseFit Evolve smartwatch. So this is how the package is actually looks like, and this is the actual image of the smartwatch. Now on the rear side, here is some of the highlighted specs, and it is compatible for both Android and iOS. It will be better for Android 4.4 above, and for iOS 9.0 and above. Then this smartwatch comes with the two color variants. So this is actually a slate black color variant, and it is also comes with the dusk blue color variant. Well, now let's unbox this package. And after opening, now here is the smartwatch. This is the NoiseFit Evolve smartwatch, and after that at the sides, so it is a small package, and this is then actually a charging dock. So this is the charging dock. So using this, you want to charge this smartwatch, and actually this charging dock is actually quite different, and it is also unique. Then after that, inside so here is a user manual guide, and this is actually a warranty registration card. So you want to register your warranty for this smartwatch first of all. Well, overall that's all the packages contain. Now let's move on to the smartwatch overview. Well guys, now on the physical overview, so this is the NoiseFit smartwatch. So as you seen here, this smartwatch comes with a light in weight, and overall the body also comes with a very slim and design. And firstly let's talk about this display. So this is a 1.2 inch AMOLED display panel, and this display has 390 into 390 pixel resolution. So as you seen here, so it has more bezels. So because of this more bezels, it comes with a less screen to body ratio. And on the sides, it has a push button. So it is not a scrollable button, it is normally a push button. And this sides is actually comes with a slim in size, and it is actually built on a aluminum body. Then overall this smartwatch's main device is actually very good. So in terms of durability and build quality, it looks stylish, and it has a very good quality. And in terms of straps also, so this straps comes with a polyurethane plastic material, and it has a very good flexibility. So while you wearing the smartwatch also, so you'll feel stylish on wearing, and it has a comfortable to wear for a long time also. And this strap and this hook is also comes with a like a metal body, so it is also comes with a good durability. And after that, at the rear side, so here is having a charging connector port. Using this charging dock, you can connect this smartwatch. So to use this, just push this button and just simply place the smartwatch like this, and just close the door, and just power this USB to the any of your socket or a normal power bank also. So this is the way you need to charge this smartwatch, and after completion you can just remove that. And then on the rear side, so it has comes with the heart rate sensor, and it actually measures 24/7 of heart rate monitoring. You can also manage in settings in how much duration the heart rate sensor need to be calculated. Well, overall, so this smartwatch comes with a very good design. So I have really liked this design. So it comes with the light in weight and the metal and the aluminum body design. So overall that smartwatch looks stylish. So it also comes with the AMOLED display panel. It has a very good readability at any viewing angles. Next, moving on to how to connect this device. So to connect this device is actually very easy. So you can easily connect this device. So to connect this smartwatch with your smartphone, you have to first install the NoiseFit and health and fitness app. So just install from the Play Store. So after installing this, so just to open, and using the barcode, so you can, so firstly once you just turn on this device and go to the settings, or you will see the barcode like that. So just to pair the barcode, so from the NoiseFit application, that will be, and the smartwatch will be paired with the smartphone easily. So in terms of connection, it is actually very easy only. Then moving on to the features. So firstly, so this is the home screen of the NoiseFit Evolve smartwatch. So while swiping from the top, so you will get some of the options like so it has a disturb and a brightness. So you can control the brightness of this smartwatch. So by tapping one by one, so the brightness will be increased, and again the brightness will be reduced. so you can just use this smartwatch at the minimum brightness also. So while you are using in the outdoor also, it has a very good readability. So in the outdoor also you can able to view the smartwatch and you can able to read the time at any lighting condition with a good readability. Then it has a find phone feature, so by just tapping the find phone, so your phone will get a ring. So these are all the features you will get. And then it has a lock screen features. By just tapping the lock screen, the screen will be locked, and after that you have to just press the side button. By pressing the side button continuously, by press and holding, the screen will be unlocked. And after that, while swiping from the top, so that is also having a settings option. By just tapping this, you go to the settings menu, and it has the battery percentage. Then swiping from the bottom, so here is a notification tab. Whenever you will get some of the messages or WhatsApp message, you can able to read the messages. And this notification tab is actually supported up to 8 notifications only. So in case if you are getting a 8, so it actually stores recent 8 notifications only, whether it might be a WhatsApp messages or normal messages or a call notification. So it can be anything, but it can store up to 8 notifications only in the notification. And after that, swiping from the right, so here is get the activity control. So here you can able to monitor how much hours you have slept, how much calories you are burned, and how much steps you have taken. By tapping this, it shows the weekly step statistics. And after that, by scrolling down, so here is an automatic heart rate sensor, so it will calculate your heart rate, and its accuracy is also too good. So if you are not wearing the device means, so the heart rate sensor, it will not be calculated. And after that, so it has a sleep data, so it actually records your sleep, so how much hours you have actually slept, like that. And it has also comes with the idle alert. So idle alert, so whenever you are idle means, it actually shows notification like a move somewhere, like that. And then it has a compass, so once you calibrated, you can able to find the east west, north and south. So using this compass, you can able to make some other things. And then by swiping from the left side, so here is comes to the menu. So it has a find phone feature, as I already talked, and it has a stopwatch feature. So while tapping this, you can able to use a stopwatch, so you can use this for your own purpose. And then settings option, then what are the steps you have taken, and it comes with the 9 different sport modes. And in case if you are preferable for a fitness means, you can able to use one of the sports mode icon, and you can able to track your records. And it has a heart rate monitoring and the sleep recording and notification, so all the notification will be listed here. And it has a camera shutter control features, so in case if you are away from the smartphone means, you can just use this shutter control to tap on the camera, and after that to capture the photo. And after that, it has the alarm clock, so you can able to set the alarm right from this smartwatch itself. And it has a compass, and it has a music control option. So using this music control option, you can able to play, pause, and switch to next or previous song. But this music control app is not having a image preview of a particular music you are playing, and also it is not having a auto launch of a music controls. Overall, so these are all the features. And in the settings option, you will get a download app and dial settings. So here is totally 5 watch faces only available here. So using these 5 watch faces only, you can able to customize. So it is actually comes with the 5 different watch faces. And in the NoiseFit application also, you will get some of the few features, like it has comes with the so first thing is it is comes with the idle alert, so you can set the idle alert, and it has a do not disturb mode, and it has a auto heart rate monitor. And here you can able to set the duration, in what period you can the heart rate need to be get monitored. And then after that, it has a drink water reminder, and you can able to sync with the Google Fit datas. And you can set the device, you can able to sync the device time. In case the device has shows the 24-hour time format pins, you can just go to the set device time and click on the sync device time, so it then becomes to the 12-hour time format. And after that, it has a camera shutter control and notification alert. So here you can able to enable the notification alerts. So I have currently selected SMS and call alert. So using in the notification alert actually, so you can able to read the message. So whenever you are receiving some of the messages, you can able to read the message. And likewise, in case if you are receiving calls, means you can able to only reject the calls only, you can't able to attend the calls. And similarly, you can able to read the messages, and you can't able to reply for the messages. And here is the language setting. So here you can select whether English or Chinese, and my alarms. So actually you can able to set the alarm right from the smartwatch also. Once you have set it, so all the alarms will be listed here. Also in the app also you can able to newly create the alarm as per your wish. And here is a factory reset option. So in case if you need, means you can able to make a factory reset. Well guys, now moving on to its battery consumption. So this NoiseFit Evolve smartwatch has comes with a as powers with a 180 mAh of battery, and it actually takes 1.5 hours to 2 hours to complete the full charge. And in terms of battery consumption, so actually it withstands for me for a minimum of 4 days. So it actually gives the 4 to 5 days as a battery consumption. So I am actually using all the functions like so 24/7 heart rate monitoring for every 5 minutes, and there is a call notification and the SMS notification and WhatsApp notifications. So these are all the features I am using in these 4 days. And likewise, rise to wake up feature, and during a night time, so it calculates the sleep hours. By doing all these functions, it actually withstand up to 4 days. So it can use almost 4 to 5 days minimum while using all these features too. In case if you are a user not using like these features, and if you are only used for seeing that time like that, means so it will give you more than 10 days of your battery consumption. So in terms of battery consumption, this NoiseFit Evolve smartwatch is one of the best smartwatch. Well, now let's move on to its pros and cons section. So this NoiseFit Evolve smartwatch has comes with a very good pros and few cons too. So first of all, let's talk about the pros. So this smartwatch design and build quality is very good. So the smartwatch design is really good, and especially this smartwatch body is actually comes with a slim in size and light in weight. It is actually comes around 25 grams of weight only. So while wearing also you can't feel like you are actually wearing. So it's actually light in weight, and the smartwatch strap quality is also too good, and it's almost very flexible, so you can easily wear this smartwatch for a long time also. And in terms of display, so it has comes with a 1.2 inches of AMOLED display. So the display quality is too good. So it has a good brightness, so you can able to view the smartwatch at any angle. So it has good viewability at any angle, and so the smartwatch display is too good. And it has also comes with some of the basic features. So, and in terms of battery consumption also, it is too good. It gives a minimum of 4 days of battery consumption on your full charge. And this smartwatch has comes with the IP64 water dust proof rating. So even though if you are going to the jogging or walking, and in case if you are having sweating like that, means so that time also this smartwatch will be works efficiently. So this smartwatch has a support of a dust, water and sweat resistant with the IP68 rating. Now let's move on to this con section. So in terms of cons, so first of all, this smartwatch is not having a time delay for the screen on time. The smartwatch displays are always goes off quickly, so because it doesn't having an option of a screen on time option. So once you have a screen on time, like so how much time, for example 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 15 seconds like that. So if your brand comes with like these features, means it will give more good experience. Then this smartphone is actually comes with the AMOLED display, but it doesn't support it with the always on display. But so considering the price segment, so it is not a that much con. So it is actually already comes with the AMOLED display. That is one of the good thing. And this smartwatch is also not supported with the reply to the messages and or support of attending a calls right from the smartwatch itself. So similarly, in this related price segment, so other smartwatch is also not having like these features. So but in case a brand comes like this feature around this price segment, so this is the one of the best thing. And the next thing is that this smartwatch is having a music control option, but whenever I am trying to play music in my smartphone, so it is not having an auto launch of a music controls. So I need need to manually go to the smartwatch menu and opens up the music control option. But I have used other smartwatch with other brands, like, so it has the auto launch of the music control option. So whenever I am playing a music in my smartphone, so it automatically launch the music controls. Also the music I am playing in the smartphone, so I'll get a preview image of that music in the smartwatch. But this smartwatch is also not having a image preview of the music I am playing. And finally, in terms of build quality, so this smartwatch is actually, as I already said, it has a very good build quality. So the sides is actually comes with a slim in size and light in weight, but the display, as you looks like here, so it has a more bezels. So because of this more bezels, it has a very less of a screen to body ratio. It actually comes with a 390 into 390 pixel resolution, but the screen to body ratio is not that much good because of the very big bezel size. Well, overall, that's all about this video, guys. Now, what are your guys' thoughts on this NoiseFit Evolve smartwatch? So, how do you guys like this review? And in case if you are a user, you are already using this smartwatch, means let me share your experience about this smartwatch in the comment section below. And that's all about this video, guys. And hopefully, if you guys like this video, hit the like button. And if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video, guys.